Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So first of all, I want to thank you guys so much for loving my work, supporting me and subscribing to my channel, and yeah, just watching my videos. So I have recently hit 3,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel, and my channel has finally gotten monetized. So I might earn some from YouTube as well from now on. Please give me some ads. So yeah guys, so today is something exciting because I'm gonna show you 15 different ways to use your old clothes and turn them into something new and style them and flaunt your old clothes. So these are the 15 different transformations that I had done last year. So I had done many of the videos, but these are some of my favorite and some of your favorites as well. So all of the tutorials are on my channel. If you want to check it out, then go to my channel and check out all the transformations. So let's just start the video and stay tuned to the end of this video because I have some important message for you all. So I hope you enjoy the video. First comes this pant, which had already gotten lint all over it and was pretty damaged, so I turned it into a bodycon dress, which was one of my biggest hits. Or you can just take your boyfriend's shirt and turn it into a statement of shoulder top for the summer. Get a little creative and get a funky scarves and turn it into a two-piece jumpsuit for the summer.
I think it's all angels just walk by. There goes a sight from my soul.
Or you can just take two simple trousers and turn it into a sporty jumpsuit.
Now there goes a sight from my there goes a
Then I took this oversized maxi gown which had already gotten a lot of stains on the bottom and turned it into a romper for the summer. And here comes the favorite one. I took one of these patterned shirt and a plain shirt and turned it into a patterned block statement top for the summer, and you can style it either way and you can just look fabulously stylish in minimum budget. Or you can just simply take a small size men's shirt and turn it into an off-shoulder top and style it either way. Or you can just simply take an oversized men's shirt and turn it into a summer dress and look flawlessly different in minimum budget again.
I think it's all angels just walk by.
If you think you don't have stretchy enough pant to make a bodycon dress out of a single pant, then you can just take two pants and turn it into a one-shoulder bodycon dress and look like a diva.
Now there goes a sight from there goes a
If you have similar similar kind of dress in corner of your closet and you don't know what to call it and how to wear it, then just simply turn it into a romper and style it like this and wear it.
Aside from my soul.
If you happen to have this kind of huge trouser in your closet and if you unfortunately don't know how to sew, then this is for you. You can turn it into a wrap dress and a romper without even having to sew, I promise.
There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul. I think a fallen angel just walked by. I think a fallen angel just walked by. I think a fallen angel just walked by. I think a fallen angel just walked by.
If you are a Nepali or Indian and you have this kind of kurti in your closet of your mom's, then quickly steal it and turn it into this overall dress for summer or winter and style it like that.
There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my there goes a sight.
I know every one of us has this kind of peplum top in their closet because once it was a trend back in 2012 and 13, and now you don't want to wear it because you look like a kid and it's just lying in the corner. So simply turn it into an off-shoulder, one-shoulder top and look like a diva.
There goes a sight from my soul.
If you're bored with just simply wearing sweater and shirt and you don't have anything new in your closet, then simply combine it and make it a color block sweater and style
There
it.
goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul. I think a fallen angel just walked by. I think a fallen angel just walked by. I think a fallen angel just walked by.
If you happen to have a t-shirt and a matching kind of gypsy skirt, because once you bought it and you don't know how to wear it and haven't even worn it once and you just regretted why you bought it, then you simply can turn it into a matching crop top and a skirt and wear it like this for the summer.
There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my there goes a sight.
Woo! So that was it, guys. So those were the 15 different ways you could use your old clothes and transform them into something new like I did. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you want to see all of the tutorials are on my channel. You can go and check them out. Some of them I'm gonna link it right over here and over here after this video, and so you can just basically click them out. So yeah guys, don't throw away your clothes. You never know what you're gonna transform them into. If you have already seen my video, then now you have the idea to transform them. So I know guys, we all like to shop a lot, we all want to be stylists, and me being a fashion designer myself, I know we all gotta be in this trend and we want to keep changing our clothes, we want to keep changing our fashion. But we have to remember, we as a fashion shopper shop a lot of clothes this year, but those all clothes are thrown away to the landfill and they just simply go to the landfill the next year. So this is the reason why the fast fashion has ushered a throwaway culture into the clothing item, with making the clothing items so cheap they only come for a single purpose, and simply the clothes go to the landfill. Now due to this single use purchase clothing items, now more clothes are dumped on the landfill every next year, and the fashion industry as a whole is responsible for the overall climate change and the environmental degradation more than the automobiles and all the pollution created by the industries combined. So if this trend continues, then the fashion industry will quarter the account of overall budget of environment pollution by 2050. So the change, we have to be the change maker. We have to start from ourselves. So you can simply start by buying less clothing items and using your old clothing items more. Let's be sustainable. Let's start supporting sustainable fashion. I want to encourage all of you guys to support sustainable fashion in any way you see, by just simply change it by starting from yourself. Buy less clothing items and use your old clothing items in any way. Just recycle them, use it. Just don't throw it away after a single use, because you're gonna be responsible for the environmental degradation, and our children in the future generation is gonna bear more, and we're gonna be part of it as well. So yeah. So sad note my end say nagarom haina. I hope you like this video, and I hope you like this little sad information, and I hope you guys have gotten some idea on refashion and sustainable fashion, why the sustainable fashion term is now being so important and popular as well. So hey guys, yeah, I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, then you know what to do. Give the big thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos every Thursday. So next video say I'm gonna do a giveaway refashion video. The winner that I have from Dharan, I'm gonna refashion her clothes and you're gonna watch it. I hope you have a good day. Till then, bye and take care and see ya. Bye.